Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Botany by Dr. Jaswinder Kaur. Today I will discuss about 150 most important fungi MCQs which are very useful for all competitive exams like BSc, MSc, TGT, PGT, Assistant Professor exams and other exams. Without wasting time, let's start. Which of the following is a holocarpic fungus? Holocarpic fungus कौन सी fungus होती है? That fungus in which the whole thallus develops into a fruiting body और जिसे हम कहते हैं sporangium. So among these holocarpic funguses Syncytium, Albugo, Astilago or Agaricus. Correct answer is Syncytium. This is the holocarpic fungus. कप फंजाई बिलोंग टू. कप फंजाई जो है किसके मेंबर्स को बोला जाता है ये हमें इसमें बताना है. फाइकोमाइसीट्स, जाइगोमाइसीट्स, एस्कोमाइसीट्स और बेसिडियोमाइसीट्स. करेक्ट आंसर इज एस्कोमाइसीट्स. एस्कोमाइसीट्स के मेंबर्स को कप फंजाई बोला जाता है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एक्वाटिक फंगस. अब इनमें से हमें एक्वाटिक फंगस के बारे में बताना है. पेनिसिलियम, राइजोपस, Saprolegnia, aspergillus. Among these, Saprolegnia is the aquatic fungus. Next question is Americilla is a perfect stage of. Americilla जो है perfect stage किसकी है? Aspergillus, Alternaria, Fusarium या Cercospora. Americilla जो है it is perfect stage of Aspergillus. Perfect stage means it's sexual stage. डाईप्लैनेटिज्म इज एग्जिबिटेड बाय. अब डाईप्लैनेटिज्म क्या होता है? डाईप्लैनेटिज्म इज ए फिनोमिना विच इज हैविंग टू मोबाइल स्टेजेस विद ए पॉज बिटवीन देम. इसमें टू मोबाइल स्टेजेस होती हैं या दो जूस्पोज स्टेजेस होती हैं इन लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर फंगस. वो हमें इसमें बताना है. सो डाईप्लैनेटिज्म इज एग्जिबिटेड बाय ऑल्टरनेरिया, सिनकाइट्रियम, फाइटोप्थोरा और सेप्रोलेग्निया. डायप्लैनेटिज्म जो है इट इज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर ऑफ सेप्रोलेग्निया. करेक्ट आंसर इज सेप्रोलेग्निया. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए फैकल्टेटिव पैरासाइट. ऑप्शंस आर पाइथियम, एम्फेनिडर्मेटम, एल्ब्यूगो कैंडिडा, फाइटोप्थोरा इन्फेस्टेंस, अस्टिलेगो हॉर्डियाई. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज Pythium, Aphanidermatum. This is a facultative parasite. The fungus which grow on dung is called. Options given are Humicolous, Lignicolous, Coprophilous, Fungicolous. Correct option is Coprophilous. Coprophilous बोलते हैं हम उस फंगस को that grows on dung. Clamp connections are found in. Clamp connections जो हैं these are found in Basidiomycetes. So let's see the options. Algae, fungi, bryophytes and pteridophytes. Basidiomycetes जो है members हैं of fungi. So clamp connections are found in fungi. Penicillin was discovered by. Penicillin was discovered by. Option given are A. Fleming, W. Fleming, Blakesley, Dodge. Correct answer is A. Fleming. That means Alexander Fleming. He discovered penicillin in 1928 from a green mold called Penicillium notatum. The respiratory process of yeast is. Yeast का जो respiratory process है वो किस टाइप का है इसमें वो बताना है. Rarely anaerobic, purely aerobic, both aerobic and anaerobic. Yeast में जो respiratory process है that is both aerobic and anaerobic type. The sexual stage of Coletotrichum falcatum is known as. Option given are Rhizoctonia solani, Glomerella tucumanensis, Pythium butleri, Physarum polycephalum. Correct option is Glomerella tucumanensis. कैपिलिशियम is found in the fruiting body of which of the following? कैपिलिशियम जो है it is a mass of sterile fibers within a fruiting body which are interspersed among spores. Option given are Basidiomycetes, Ascomycetes, Maxomycetes or Deuteromycetes. Correct answer is Maxomycetes. Capillicium are the fruiting bodies which are found in Maxomycetes. Members of Ascomycotina are commonly known as. Members जो होते हैं Ascomycotina के they are commonly known as puffballs, water molds, sac fungi और pin molds. Ascomycotina के members को बोलते हैं sac fungi. Correct option is sac fungi. Which one of the following is a coprophilous fungus? Coprophilous fungus are the fungus that grow on dung. Option given are Albugo, Saprolegnia, Agaricus and Astilago. Correct option is Agaricus. Agaricus is a coprophilous fungus. Whose spores are found in? Option given are Sphaerotheca, Mucor, Phytophthora or Puccinia. Whose spores are found in Phytophthora. This is a correct option. Calcium is not known to be essential for. Calcium किसके लिए essential नहीं है, हमें इसमें से वो option बताना है. Algae, fungi, pteridophytes और gymnosperms. Correct option is fungi. Calcium is not essential for fungi. Which one of the following fungi causes hallucination? Hallucination कौन सी fungi cause करती है, इसमें वो हमें बताना है. भ्रम पैदा करती है fungi. Hallucination. Option given are Amanita muscaria, Cantharellus siberius, Boletus edulis, Volvarilla volvosea. Correct option is Amanita muscaria. Amanita muscaria fungi causes hallucinations. The fungus associated with the discovery of gibberellin is. Gibberellin is a plant hormone and the fungus that is associated with its discovery, we have to give its name. Fusarium oxysporum, Fusarium solani, Fusarium longipes, Fusarium moniliforme. Correct option is Fusarium moniliforme. The fungus Fusarium moniliforme is associated with the discovery of plant hormone gibberellin. The fungus which has contributed most to the understanding of genetics is. ऐसी fungus जिसने बहुत ज़्यादा contribution किया है in the field of genetics. Option given are Saprolegnia, Neurospora, Claviceps, Eurotium. Among these, correct option is Neurospora. Neurospora belongs to phylum Ascomycota. The zoospore of Cystopus is. Cystopus का zoospore किस टाइप का होता है? Option given are aflagellate, uniflagellate, biflagellate और multiflagellate. The zoospore of Cystopus is biflagellate. So correct option is option C. Which of the following fungi is used as food? Options given are Tuber melanospermum, Coprinus cinereus, Astilago medes, Mucor macedo. Correct option is Tuber melanospermum. This is the edible fungi which is used as food. Vesicular arbuscular mycorrhizae in plant roots is produced by. Option given are Glomus, Tuber, Boletus, Elaphomyces. Correct option is Glomus. In Glomus, all species form symbiotic relationship with plant roots. A fertile layer bearing Asci or Basidia are named as. Fertile layer जिसमें Asci और Basidia होते हैं, it is named as. Option given are Hymenum, Ascus, Basidium और Sporangium. ऐसी fertile layer जिसमें Asci और Basidia होते हैं, these are known as Hymenum. In which of the following pathogen branch Hostoриum is found? Branch Hostoриum इनमें से किस पैथोजन में होते हैं? We have to give the answer. Options given are Erysiphe graminis, Erysiphe polygoni, Peronospora pisci, Syncytium endobioticum. Correct option is Erysiphe graminis. In Erysiphe graminis, branch Hostoриum is found. Which of the following fungi is known as death's chair ड्यू टू मशरूम पॉइजनिंग? अब हमें बतानी है इसमें से ऐसी कौन सी फंजाई है जिसे कि डेथ चेयर बोला जाता है ड्यू टू इट्स पॉइजनिंग नेचर, जो कि मशरूम है और पॉइजनस मशरूम है. ऑप्शंस गिवन आर पाइलोबोलस केलेनियाए, सेलियोटा कंपेस्ट्रिस, बोलिटस मिराबिलिस, एमेनिटा फेलोइडिस. अमंग दिस करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज एमेनिटा फेलोइडिस. इसी को हम बोलते हैं डेथ चेयर एंड इट कॉजेज द मशरूम पॉइजनिंग. फ्रूट बॉडी ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फंजाई इज ल्यूमिनेसेंट? ऐसी कौन सी फंजाई है जिसकी फ्रूट बॉडी जो है ल्यूमिनेसेंट है और जो कि लाइट एमिट करती है? ऑप्शंस गिवन आर अगैरिकस, प्लूरोटस, फैलस, पॉलीस्टिरकस. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज पॉलीस्टिरकस. पॉलीस्टिरकस की जो फ्रूटिंग बॉडी है इट इज ल्यूमिनेसेंट. In which of the following torula condition may be observed? Options given are saprolegnia, mucor, penicillium, allomyces. Correct option is mucor. Torula condition जो है it is observed in mucor. When mucor is allowed to grow in sugar-rich solution, its mycelium break down into small spherical and independent cells. This condition is called as torula condition or torula stage. The example of coprophilous fungus is, इसमें हमें coprophilous fungus बताना है, fungus that grow on dung. Options given are albugo, saprolegnia, astilago, pezizer. Correct answer is pezizer. Pezizer is the coprophilous fungus among these. In Puccinia graminis, sexual reproduction occurs by. Puccinia graminis में sexual reproduction किस प्रोसेस से अकर होती है वो हमें बताना है. Options are somatogamy, spermatization, gametangial contact, gametangial copulation. Correct option is spermatization. In Puccinia graminis, sexual reproduction occurs by spermatization. Next question is, which one of the following fossils is a fungus? Among the following option, we have to find the fungus which is also a fossil. Options are Calamites, Rhodesmites, Tiletia, Xylaria. Correct answer is Xylaria. Xylaria is a fossil fungus. That's all for today. Rest of the questions I will discuss in next video. Until next time, goodbye.